Hey friends, how are you doing? Hope you are having a safe and great weekend. Today I will be discussing with you that decisions you will regret forever. Our days are filled with constant stream of decisions. Most are normal, but some are so important that they can haunt you for the rest of your life. The sheer number of decisions we have to make each day leads to a phenomenon called decision fatigue, whereby our brain actually tears like the muscles. Even when your brain aren't tired, they can make it very difficult for us to make a good decision. When making a decision, instead of referencing to the knowledge we have accumulated, our brain focus on specific detailed memory. For example, if you are buying a bike and trying to decide if you should go for a sports bike, even though you know you can't afford it, your brain might focus on memory of the wonderful feel of the comfort on your brother's sports bike, when it should be focused on the stress you are going to experience while making your monthly bike payment. Since you don't have memory of this yet, it is hard thing for your brain to contemplate. I am not product of my circumstances. I am product of my decision. Some decisions are minor, such as what to eat, which route to drive to your work, or in what order to tackle your task. Others are more difficult, such as choosing between two job offers, whether to move to a new city for someone you love, or whether to cut toxic person out of your life. Regardlessly of the magnitude of the decision, our brain make it hard for us to keep a perspective. We need to make good choice. After working exclusively with people who were more smart and intelligent, I had made a habit of asking them about their greatest regret. And yes, I heard the same 5 regrets time and time again. By studying these regrets, you can make a certain that you make a good choice and don't fall the victim of them yourself. I wish I hadn't made decisions based on what other people think. When you make your decision based on other people's opinion, 2 things tend to happen. First, you make a poor career choice. There are too many people out there who studies for degree, they regret, or even spend their life pursuing a career, they regret. Whether you are seeking parental approval or pursuing pay and prestige over your passion, making poor career choice is a decision that will live with you forever. You fail to uphold your morals. When you got caught up with your boss, think of you, how much money you think your spouse needs to be happy, or how bad you will look if you fail. You are at high risk of violating your own moral. Your intense desire to make yourself look good compares your ability to stay true to yourself and ultimately to feel good. The best way to avoid falling to a prey to the opinion of others is to realize what other people's opinions are just that opinions. Regardlessly how great or terrible they think you are, that's only their opinion. Your true self-worth comes from within you. I wish I hadn't worked so hard. Working hard is a great way to impact the world, to learn, to grow, to feel accomplished, and sometimes even to find happiness. But it becomes a problem when you do so at the expense of people closest to you. We often work hard to make money for people we care about without realizing that they value your company more than money. The key is to find balance between doing what you love and being with people you love. Otherwise, you will look back one day and wish you focused more on the later. I wish I had expressed my feeling. We were taught as a child that emotions are dangerous and they must be bottled up and controlled. This usually works at first, but boxing up your feelings causes them to grow until they erupt. The best thing you can do is to put your feelings directly on table. Though it is painful to initiate, it forces you to be honest and transparent. For example, if you feel as though you don't make enough money at work, schedule a meeting with your boss and propose why you think you are worth more. As a result, he or she will either agree with you and give you a raise or disagree and tell you what you need to do become more valuable. On the other hand, if you do nothing and let your feeling fester, this will hinder your performance and prevent you from reaching your goal. I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. When you got caught up in your weekly routine, it is easy to lose sight of how important people are to you, especially those you make time for. Relationships with old friends are among this first thing to fall off the table. When we are busy, this is unfortunate because spending time with the friends is major stress buster. Friends bring you energy, fresh perspective and sense of belonging in a way that no one else can. I wish I made them happy. When your life is about to end, all the difficulties you have faced suddenly become little value of importance as compared to the good times. This is because you realize that More often than not, suffering is a choice. Unfortunately, most people realize this far too late, although we all inevitably experience pain. How we react to our pain is completely under our control, as is your ability to experience joy, learning to laugh, smile, and be happy, especially when stressed, is challenged at times, but it's one that worth even ounce of effort. Bring it all together, some decisions are repercussions that can last a lifetime. Most of them are decisions made daily and require focus and perspective to keep them from haunting you. How do you avoid making decisions you will regret? Please share your thoughts in comment section below as I learn as much from you.